All right, folks, here's an Ethereum chart update for you guys. We are still above our support level. So we got our signal back here in March. That came right there at around 1940. So we're literally trading right now, right at the price where we got our signal. Okay, you're actually still up just a little bit if you entered off of that. And again, the dot is red. So we are assuming, right, this thing could come down a little bit more because, again, we are bearish as long as the dot is red and bullish as long as the dot is green. I mean, nothing is broken on the chart here unless we break down below 1700. If ETH breaks 1700, then the chart's in trouble. But until then, right, we're just consolidating. We're just going sideways. We haven't moved, right? We haven't moved yet. There's been no big move to the upside or no big move to the downside. We have been range bound since that drop right here in February. Okay. Again, we got the signal right here. We got this signal back here in December, but that turned out to be a bull trap. Okay. December was a bull trap. Okay. Everyone sits through a bull trap every now and again, right? When we lose support, you can see the previous low right here off these green dots was this level right here. Okay, right there at 2,600. So you could have had a stop loss set right there at 2,600. And when that level broke, that's a big macro, right, support level. There's a lot of stop losses sitting there. All the leveraged traders, right, have their stop losses set. And the market will go get those stop losses sometimes. And when those stop losses are hit, that's what causes the capitulation. That's what causes the panic selling. Okay, and now, okay, we're back here at 1,700. That's still our bottom, guys. Nothing changes on Ethereum until we break 1,700. So anything closer to 1,700 is actually a good price, right? If we get another one of these signals in the next couple of weeks, okay, and we're down and we're above 1,750, that's going to be another place where you can add to your position, right? We're break even right now on ETH, okay, unless you played options and this time decay is killing you, right? If you bought Ethereum, okay, you're still up. The trade hasn't even happened yet, right? This move hasn't even happened yet. We don't sell until we get back up here, right? Until the wave gets back up here and we get our sell signal, okay? As long as we're down here, we're planting seeds, guys. We're just trying to accumulate. We want to buy as much as possible as long as this wave is down here. And there hasn't been this kind of an extended period of being down here since all the way back here in like 2022. And 2022 was like the beginning of one of the biggest bull runs we've ever seen in crypto. Okay, so I think we're still at great prices, right? Just looking for another signal now to look for an entry. If we get the opportunity to buy it at 1750 again, awesome, right? Warren Buffett says, hey, you should be happy when your asset goes down. If you're buying Ethereum, you should be buying this thing for the long term. Okay, you should believe it's coming back up here to 4,000 or 5,000 one day, or maybe going to 10, 15 if you're buying Ethereum. Okay, I'm not buying Ethereum because I think it's going right here to 2,600 again. I think it's going to all-time highs or even back to the highs. So what we're doing is we're just watching for the next signal, right? We'll just dollar cost average, add more in. Okay, we should be sitting with some cash, getting ready to buy the next signal.